What's going on out there, people? It's your boy, Chef High Tower, Chef High Tea, whatever you call it. I'm stepping in from the outside. Usually I'm on the grill doing the chickens or the burgers, as y'all have seen before if you've been watching. I appreciate y'all tuning in. But today I'm cooking a cabbage mixed with sausage meal with diced tomatoes. Man, when I say delicious, it is great. So I've got my Georgia apron on, chef's apron. Got the Georgia gear on, because you know what it is. I'm a Georgia boy to the day I die. Hey, I appreciate y'all tuning in. Make sure y'all like, subscribe, leave a comment, whatever, man. Like I said, it's appreciation. I appreciate the love. Like this guy trying to come off on me. So anyway, let's get into it. Let's go. Here go my ingredients here. I'm gonna start off with the main ingredient, the cabbage, of course, because like I said, a cabbage. I have here a Hillshire Farm turkey smoked sausage. So if you guys can't do the pork, you can get turkey sausages. They sell those. Bell peppers, green, yellow, and red. As you see, I have here. Now, if you got kids and you think your kids won't like the bell peppers, you don't have to use them. But for me, it does add some flavor, adds something different. So, but if you, man, because you're gonna saute them anyway, they're probably not even gonna taste them. Mine don't even know I put them in there. I just put them in there, saute them, cook them together. It's over with. They don't know. So I got some butter. I'm not gonna use. You don't use a whole stick. I would say probably, maybe just maybe a little bit under a half. Hey, who does direct measuring in a way? Correct measurements. So tomatoes, of course, diced tomatoes. Doesn't matter what brand. Diced tomatoes. A little red wine vinegar, pink Himalayan salt. I use pink Himalayan salt, black pepper, and some garlic salt. Yes, sir. So let's go ahead and get into it. Get the chopping, man. Preheat your pan. I got electric, cooking electric, so you put it on about 5-6. You know, you don't want to burn. You know what I'm saying? We cooking, baby. We ain't burning. We cooking. So I'm gonna slap my butter in there with my bell peppers. Let them saute for a minute. Then I'm throwing my sausages in behind. Let them cook a minute. And then after those guys cook good enough, we're throwing in the cabbage. And that's about it after that, but that's just a little quick briefing on where I'm going to be next. So once that preheats and I get my butter and then my butter melts down, Lego, like I said, cut you a little butter. Cut you a little butter. Ain't no measurement going on right here. About that much. About that much. This unsalted too, so you know, might be a little thick, but about right there. Yes, so butter that thing on up. Butter that bottom a little bit. Yep, about gone. Go ahead and take your bell peppers. Throw them on in there. Get them guys sauteed on up. Yes, sir. Get them sauteed up on me. Get them on in there. You know what I'm saying? Make sure you get them things, everything hit the butter. Everything get wet. Everything gonna get wet. Yes, sir. Everything in there wet. All the bell peppers get. Look at that color, baby. Nice little color. Nice little color. Take your salt, take your pepper, sprinkle it, man. Sprinkle me, man. Sprinkle me, man. Sprinkle me, man. Sprinkle me, man. Put that on in there. So I just be empire right. Look at it. Yes, sir. You hear that sizzle? You hear that sizzle? Yes, sir. I know you do. You hear that sizzle? Yes, sir. Little sizzle on the background. Good little. So they nice and everything. Nice and wet. Nice and wet. Take your sausages. Take them old turkey sausages. Throw them in there. I mean, I know they come pre-cooked. Ready to go, but I just ain't around with it, man. So, throw them guys off in there. Stir them up, 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 stir them up. Yes, sir. Just wanna come. Be alright. I'm a professional cooker. Don't do this for a living, I just do this for fun. So it's going to happen. Yeah. As long as I can get most of it in there, it will not be a deal breaker. Don't worry, the stove is clean, so I am going to put those cabbages that fell on the stove back in the pot. Oh yes, indeed I am. No biggie. Breaker. So now that it's going, what you want to do, take the heat down a little bit more because it's kind of simmering now. Oh, I forgot one thing before I do that. Take that old red wine vinegar. Yes, sir.
Just kind of dibble and dabble that guy in there, man. This is something that I came up with as far as cooking. My remix to it, and boy, when I tell you. So, let this cook for about good 10 minutes. We'll be right back.
Show it. Yes, sir. Been about 10 minutes. Get a little stir that thing up. Yes, sir. So cool. Yes, sir. Coming along. I usually like to do like 3 10-minute checks just to see where I'm at. So you know if you feel like it's taking too long, you can heat it up, but you know, like I said, man, I came here to cook, not to burn. So we're coming along pretty good here. On this final cook, I'm gonna do another 10 minutes. I will throw a little bit. Okay, throw a little bit more vinegar in there, a little garlic salt, not too much. So, you got it. There it is. You see it. All right. I'm gonna take my can of diced tomatoes. Already pre-wiped. Everything's pre-wiped. Yes, sir. Get that guy on there. Yes, sir. Oh yeah. Don't worry about the cut. It's one of them smooth edge can openers, guys. The ones they say they never taught us about growing up if you was an 80s baby, 90s baby. But yeah, man, smooth edge can opener. You can grab it with your hand, no problem. All right, take that guy, throw it in there. And stir that in there. Stir it on in there. Just might as well say we're done. So I'm gonna let this cook for another 5-10 minutes. Just let it, everything get in there. Hey, that's it, man. We are done. Cabbage, sausage, whatever you want to call it. Sausage, cabbage, whatever you want to call it, man. Great dish, quick. That's it, guys. Done deal, done data. I'm out of here. Chef High Tower, y'all know what it is. Appreciate y'all tuning in again. Like I said, hit the like, subscribe.